Well folks, welcome back to the workshop. This is not a repair video. This is just my wee rant. This is something that's just bugging me and I'm just going to have a wee rant about it, to be quite honest. Plus, just want to warn people about these here two DeWalt drills. If you see these in the shop folks, do not buy them. They are not good drills to be buying. They are not reliable and they do not last. I'll tell you the crack on this. So DeWalt took out a 100-year anniversary drill there a few years ago. Now, I have a video this year and another video and a long video, but I'm just doing this here as a wee separate rant because another one then came on as well. So they took this here out as the 100-year anniversary drill. This is the DCD 100. You've probably heard the story on this, and if you've bought one, you'll know rightly. These are faulty, basically straight out of the box. If they do work for you at all, they don't work for very long. They all have the exact same fault. Now, the shop I worked for, whenever these came out, they were on a great deal. You got a full kit with it. You got the drill, 2 batteries, charger and a box, and it was a very good deal. The two batteries and the charger alone nearly paid for themselves. You're basically just getting the drill for next to nothing. But the drill is just terrible, to be absolutely honest with you. People are buying them because it was cheap and then we're just regretting it because of this here thing. We bought on about 6 of them. The shop I work for bought on 6 of them, and all of them were returned faulty, had to be sent away for warranty. And I think they were all just eventually sent back to DeWalt because they were just faulty all the time. Problem with them, if you've ever seen them, you know rightly, is the forward and reverse switch. The thing just changes direction all on its own. So when you're drilling something in, all of a sudden you pull the trigger again, it starts unscrewing it. Same thing if you're taking something out, you push the button again, it starts drawing it back in again. I mean, I've never seen any tool do this here. You should make a liar out of me now. There we go. So that's it going reverse, and then it's going forward. Reverse. I'll use it off the chocolate so you can see it. Not touching the forward reverse switch. That's just changing all on its own. Now, any other brand, if they realised they had a bad switch like this or a bad batch and had very obvious fault, all these come back under warranty and being returned and customers not happy, you'd think they'd get the message very, very quickly and just get them off the market and get that switch thrown out. No, not DeWalt. They start putting it into more drills. This one is the DCD 796, and you'll probably be familiar with this drill. I've said before in other videos, this is actually a decent wee drill. Not expensive, brushless motor, but good enough power. The main fault in it was the plastic gearbox. If you use it in hammer mode, it tends to melt. But apart from that, not a bad wee machine, decent enough chuck. I've actually always thought that's quite good. DeWalt, of course, thought otherwise. They've actually taken out a new type, a new model of it. Not a new model, a new type number. Sometimes change things and take out a new type number. So this is now type 11. And of course, they decided this was cheap enough for them to start using in this drill as well. So now these, if you're buying them, also have the exact same fault. Drilling forward, no problem. Going to reverse. Oh, still going forward. Then all of a sudden, going forward, going reverse. It's not even to say I'm trying to move the switch different ways. It's the switch, just sort of push it one way, it goes one direction. Push it from the other side, it goes the other direction. It's not that at all. It just picks the direction all on its own. That's not just a trigger problem, that is a whole motor unit problem. If you have these things, you're lucky if they're inside a warranty. This one will fail within warranty. Once you get it back again, it's still going to start doing the exact same thing. This one is a big massive disappointment because that was a decent enough drill. Now they're just rubbish. If that fails under warranty, you'll get it replaced, but outside of warranty, these things are not worth fixing. DeWalt switches, just like the Milwaukees, are part of the whole brushless motor unit and controller. So you can't buy this here switch separate from the motor. the switch goes, or the controller, you have to buy the whole motor unit assembly, which is basically half the machine. And that basically means that it's going to be around about the price of a new machine. So instead of fixing it, you're always just going to go out and buy a new one. That there is just planned obsolescence at its finest. DeWalt is just planning on these here failing just outside of the warranty, so that you keep going out and buying more. Cheap enough that you'll buy it, but the quality of them are that bad, they're going to fail basically within a year or two. This one will fail within a few weeks. So folks, if you see these things out on sale, you're looking at them, don't be buying them. Teach DeWalt a lesson not to be putting in faulty switches into even more tools just so that they'll fail a little bit sooner. These things here are an absolute disaster. This here anniversary one especially, can you imagine taking out an anniversary drill for your 100-year anniversary, whatever the hell it was, to commemorate the brand, and you took out the cheapest, lowest quality tool you can imagine? That just says everything you need to know about DeWalt, especially modern DeWalt. It used to be good, but they're going downhill fast, basically going the same way as Milwaukee. Some of the stuff's still good, but these here, if you see them in the shop, I'd recommend you just do not buy them. This used to be a fantastic wee drill. Now, with that problem, they're not worth buying at all. Anyway, that's my wee rant over, folks. Sorry for the video just on it, but I just want to let people know that if you're buying these things, they're not going to last too long. Anyway, as always, folks, hope you're enjoying the videos, including the wee rants. And if you're liking them, make sure to give us a wee like and a follow. But until next time, I'll chat to you later. There'll be another tool repair video, proper repair video, coming soon.